What I like to do is I'll make my chicken and I'll make broccoli because I find that the carbs are easy to get. If I want to have a potato or some rice or whatever, I can cook that very quickly. Whereas protein, yeah, that takes a little bit longer and I don't have time and I don't like to cook, so I just do it all at once. I usually get the chicken breasts from Costco that are individually portioned and wrapped, and then I'll cut them up, getting those little icky pieces off of them and putting them into bite-sized pieces so that I can throw them in a bowl with some sort of marinade, whatever happens to be in the fridge. And then I'll let them marinate for a couple of hours or overnight, depending on what kind of time I have. When I'm ready to cook them, I usually just heat a pan up. I'll cook it with some olive oil or some butter, depending on what I have available. And then I'll get my broccoli, which is also from Costco. They are individually bagged and microwavable. So you just pop them in the microwave that side up for about 5.5 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'll get out my containers and my scale and get ready to prep them when they're done. Once they come out of the microwave, they are very, very hot. There's usually just a little bit of water in them, so I drain that and I get my slotted spoon, get my scale ready, zero it out, and go ahead and put the containers on top to zero them out as well before I start putting everything inside and measuring them. I usually go for about 3 ounces of the broccoli and about the same for the chicken. Depending on the size of the chicken breast, that can come out to anywhere from 4 to 6 meals, which is actually what I ended up getting out of this batch. So that gives me 6 meals that I can use for the week. Usually it'll constitute 2 or 3 days. And that way I save myself the time and I can just grab it and go out the door when I have to. And I can easily add any carbohydrate or any fats or both to balance out the meals. To learn more about balanced meals and how they can help your fat loss, watch this video next.